myself. I'm not taking any money. I'm not looking nothing for Silwani. And I'm not looking at all of who did have her put her in a phone. All of who did have her iPad. The whole of them. Throw her down. No, make them driving after them. All of who did have her up in a phone. All of who did have do everything. Them no look on her now. She up the lie down in her bed. Me not call it nothing. The lady I go give her and me I follow her go show her where Silwani there. All of them, I see Silwani in a player. Where the money they were Silwani get out of player? You know how much money they make over YouTube? Me not ask you know. Because I see the views. And YouTube pay by views. I mean, no sound no make money and fight. And she don't have nothing for show out tight. Nothing at all. Nothing she not have for sure. And all of the donors them will look out to me, me understand so no love me. And me know say once you get bitten already by a snake or a ants, you're gonna know if you tread cautiously. You're not gonna get the same bite again. So me ask you to say, just allow me to carry her to doctor and make she get medication, and me gonna tell her now when me I come for her to carry her to doctor. And me not call it nothing no less nothing here. Me and Silwani no money dealing. All of the people, them my friends this year, who should come in and play for all kind of sitting. When I tell one of the guys, did say, oh man, me say go up there because Silwani something another. And me say, I only when she dip on her foot every day on a fine vehicle. And I say I do a responsible for Silwani. Call Joseph. Everybody that's why them say play sick and act like you're dead and say who is with you. Next turn, put it not yet, so the next turn. Play sick and act like you're dead and say who is with you. You want to know your friend them lie down like you're dead or you're sick. And say who step over here, who come help you. People are close about me, I look this, me not look nothing. Because God done bless me already.
I know you have that in your mind, auntie.
When me look and see the woman, me I hear say, you know say one man will live up here, come down on me yard. Said, Dana, me I beg you. Beg you, just carry her God that come look on her, you know. And one Pepsi, I like the other one. One Pepsi, I like the other one. Like cigarette. She put it in one in her mouth and take out it and drink. She just drink Pepsi so. And you know want to see she drop down up there. Miss, come give her it yourself. Where she there? You know what? Yeah, she a come. She said she a come. I said she not a trans. Silwani, come down. You not change your clothes yet. Me I come for you tomorrow for carry you to a doctor. You hear? Pull the grill and come out, make them see you. You see that she don't even have slippers on her foot. Why people them where that come in and show in there? They not get no money. See they all who did have her in her phone. Turn them back. You eat for morning? What you mean you not eat for morning? You have something there to eat? Where Joseph? In cook? You know nothing at all. You saw me I tell you, a them thing I make she can't get better. Father God, give me the strength. You don't have no slippers? May I come here to carry God doctor tomorrow? Yeah, man. See, they same clothes them. Not even nobody for be there or for help her. Father God, may I tell you some people, we keep on our time. You see the whole of them will put you up against me. Where them there? Where your friend them there? You see how she's sick now and none of them are there to look for her. Tomorrow I come for you. Wake up Joseph.
No?
I make him give you something to eat.
Yeah.
You drink the Pepsi for morning?
No, I'm not coming for a while. I'm supposed to come. Just keep up the good work. God bless you.
I tell you, say mankind, that's why I beg your Father God. See that? The same clothes that she have on from when you come up here. Are you not change?
Yeah, you just put it on.
So where did you have on?
Yeah, well, one skirt and just put on it.
Oh, you change?
Yeah.
But you not eat?
No, but I eat man, there's no food.
Then we keep up no see when you say no eat for morning, you know, most hungry. Sandy, come here. You want one cup soup?
Alright, man.
Are you not eat for morning, Silone? That's what your mind I tell you.
Alright, brother.
You can't get one cup soup here and give her the water.
Yeah, alright, man. I'm gonna come soon.
What you say?
Alright, different way she only want to see the doctor.
Me a carry her to doctor tomorrow, but she said she don't eat for morning.
Alright, man. She'll come out and trade later and come eat something and she'll buy it.
But she can't stay upon the road for all day Sunday and not eat. And you the woman said she don't eat for morning.
No, man. I tell you, every night me I still on the house. See how the me and I come in. She rest up.
Yeah,
now.
but me a say she don't eat Sunday. That's the thing.
When she ready, she'll come on, man.
And them say she a drink the Pepsi. And when they come down, they come call me to come assist her. And I said, Donna, where people them there where they did the fair Sunday? Where her friend them there? Where your friend them there, Silone? Part of life Sunday. You see what them do me see her. You see. But God not sleep. Make sure ready early in the morning. Now go see me send Marcia go get you and dress and want sleep. At 9 you way though?
Yeah.
Now go make Marcia go buy one slippers and one dress because she not have much to put on. Drop me down back here, sir, because then something. So Silone, where your clothes them there? You have clothes but they're not suitable. Me have my slippers for you. Me go make Marcia go buy something nice here in the morning. And you okay, I go hear doctor, you hear? No worry yourself, no call out, let me reach first. Yeah. And Josie should have get up and look for something for every little soup. She do alright, Sandy, because she cannot eat from morning till now. And she slim out.
Because she not sleep, she not sleeping. She not sleep, no time. So like at 10 time, she touch up with the sleep. She not sleep when night, not night.
Don't make she buy no more Pepsi.
Alright, yeah. And she not do a drink of Pepsi now.
Because the man said she take one Pepsi out another. And she tell me say she drink the Pepsi.
She drink it out, you know, so regular. And she not drink the woman there, she know that.
Alright. All I know what did that still on your pump and pride. All about a dance, all about a split. And where the whole I know there. Where the whole I know there. I don't know nothing in a family left this Silone this year house here. And video I no go back in a Silone house. So no can ask me nothing. Family go in there the time, I no go back in there, I no come here so if me pass a seat there. Not one of them to come down, come over be there and come up here and put the dime there and make she look fresh in her Christmas. Not one of them. Me say she not no slippers. She not nothing that me here. So man, me send Marcia early go town. Go get some little dress in a wholesale them because them have some nice little dress down at town can fit her. And send her PLS go get one slippers and one shoes. Do what you ask me, where is our stuff, miss? And 90 line me live on your saw by grave. The woman, yeah, girl says she not sleep, she want to go to a doctor. She want to go to a doctor. Everybody use Silone, they put him in a video, then put him in a Sophie jump, then put him all kind of sitting. And the whole of them all somehow in a phone you want to look for me. What the whole of you know there? See it there? He said I want to just pray for her. Because when I go see her back on her foot, because I speak that thing to be. When I go see her back up and down on her foot and fat up back and healthy up back. When I go see her on her foot. When I go see her on her foot. And man, me carry got the doctor for Charmian say, and Charmian say she going the doctor, she going to talk to the doctor for me. If me not get her, me leave a message, get the doctor number, and she will see what best we can do. Bless upon yourself and thank you for the tremendous support. Thank you for the overwhelming support of Auntie Donna Care.